Okay, good morning. We have Pam here, and Pam is a patient at our clinic, Gilbert Chiropractic Clinic, and she came in originally with some complaints of back pain and sciatica. She's an avid runner, and she also has had some cancer and some neuropathies in her lower extremities. And I'm going to let her tell her story. This is Pam. Go ahead.
So I've been coming here for about a year or so, and I still get chemo every 3 weeks. And I also first came in here because I read up on Dr. Gilbert, and I feel that I needed adjustments to keep my running steady because I still compete. And so I came into the office, and immediately my adjustments took care of my imbalance after a few sessions. And it makes it so I can run more balanced, which is extremely important, and I'm injury free.
And you run some pretty long races.
I run 5Ks.
Okay.
I did track and field for 40 years, but I just want to say that it's gone beyond that. So they discovered cancer 2 years ago, and I have been getting treatment for about almost that whole time after surgery. And I have had trouble with neuropathy, which is one of the side effects of chemo. And so he told me, Dr. Gilbert told me about their machine that's behind me here.
It's the Vibe board.
The Vibe board.
And the neuropathies you were feeling in your feet.
Yes, yeah. I had no feelings in my feet since I started chemo.
That was about 2 years ago?
2 years ago.
Wow, okay.
Yes. So what happened was I got on it for 15 minutes. They said, what the heck, why don't you try it? And so I got on it for 15 minutes, and I started getting tingling in my feet, and I now feel my feet after 15 minutes. So I've done it a couple of times since then, and my feet are just, it's so wonderful to feel my feet. Because running on stubs is not really a good idea because it causes imbalance.
Especially when you're a runner.
Yes. So I run daily, and it's so wonderful to now feel my feet again.
Cool. Well, thank you very much for sharing your story.